Bisaya daw, Bisaya. I-translate. He is great, he is hardworking. Kaya sa Australia, so... Mm. May hilas. Timanaan ko na. Need to fill in the gaps with these words. So, let's start with number 1. Yes. Yeah. Okay, number 2. Very... Bisaya daw, Bisaya. I-translate. He is great, he is hardworking. But also very... Yes. Very easygoing. Okay, number 3. Watching, no? Bisaya daw, i-translate. She is shy and blah blah blah, lazy. Sa una sa dali. She's shy, mahiyain. Ulawan siya, og. Kasi dapat ibutan diri. Sa inid natin diri. Adverb, we need an adverb here. Kaya adjective man eh, lazy. She is shy and unsay adverb na mabutan natin diri. Diri pangita. Sometimes. So, ano siya, maulawon siya og usahay tapulan. We doesn't. Marni siya is. He, she, it, doesn't. No. Doesn't is for singular. Oh, nga naman. Yan don't. Ganun wala mo na enjoy pag shopping. Yeah. We don't enjoy shopping. That's correct because, okay, let's try to eliminate. First one, doesn't. We can only use doesn't if we talk about singular. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So, he, she, it, doesn't. Doesn't. Okay? He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't matter. Okay? It doesn't work, yeah. And then, letter C is also not correct because we don't enjoy going shopping because, again, we, they, you. You, we, they, we need to use don't. We don't, they don't, you don't. Yes. Okay? Number 7. What do you enjoy doing together? Nga nung dili pwede ang does. Oh, yes. So, dili siya, singular. Okay? And then, nga nung ang do, dili man. Yes. So, dapat mag-agree siya sa what do you, yes. Okay. What do you enjoy doing together? That's correct. Number 8. Liking, like, or liked? What do you and your son liking doing together? No. What do you and your son like doing together? Nga naman. Yeah. Buhaton. Okay, yes. Okay, let's do the elimination. Liking is not correct and like is also not correct. Yes, pero dili ko kami liked. I liked you. Because like is a stative verb. So when we say stative verb, these are non-action verbs. So we need to use what do you and your son like doing together? Yes. How man ka, Jeff? Ngunit ka di ka how to English. Kinahanglan lang og push. Tulak ko na lang tika. Lakas ng loob. Bitaw. Pero mauna pud ka kay syempre naka sa Australia, so Anyway, we don't have enough time, Jeff. We will continue this in our next class. Yeah, I need to ask permission. I recorded not really the whole class, like 5 minutes only. And is it okay if I'm going to post it on Facebook? But don't worry, I just I'm just trying to put an emoji to your face or do something like that. It's okay? Yeah. And just to encourage people because there are a lot of Filipinos who ask me if I teach Filipinos, how do I teach Filipinos? Ano lang dyan. Yeah, pero hindi na ako yung mga hindi ko pinsa lang ito. Confidential. Okay, thank you for your time, friend. Saan na no? Yeah, thank you, Jeff. See you. Bye-bye.